Yeah, enter car. Yeah, enter the car. Fast. Fast about that. We still need one person to go. Come in, feel more if you come here. I must make sure I accomplish my mission today. The sacrifice must be done.
Mr. Man, what's your problem now?
Young man, I'm sorry for whatever that happened here. Please, sorry, you can go.
Okay, you get my carry your phone. They touch me, Abi.
No. It's a joke. Sorry, you can go.
You do a first one. Come do a second time. As in, who's that joke be that one?
Young man, it's a prank. I was just trying to know what you will do. I just want to see your reactions.
Be careful. I won't go be this one now. I got not for this. Sure. What be this one when they back now?
Young man, that are my kids. I want to take them to school.
You said this one na pikin?
Yes.
Why they gonna be like that body now?
No. They are just sleeping. Yes.
Mr. Man, who be this one?
No, I follow my oga.
You follow your oga?
Yes.
This one why your body they do like this? Who are you?
No, he is my driver. He's okay. It's okay. Young man, I said you can go. You can go. You can. Mama, what is that? I said you can go. You can go.
No. Oh, you don't know Abi?
Young man.
Oga, Mr. Man, I talk and say you up to something. That time when you touch this your fan, you touch me this your fan. You touch a second time. I don't say you up to something. Who be this weekend when they inside your car?
Oh my, it's okay. Stop shouting. Can we settle this here? I will give you 10 million. I want you to do as if you don't notice anything. I will give you 10 million.
You will give me 10 million?
Yes.
So I be like person where hunger there, but I be. You make I watch you now.
It's okay, young man. Stop shouting. I will make it 20 million.
That was so. It don't say you give me 20 million.
Okay.
Who be this weekend when they inside your car?
It's okay.
Wait, if I said it. Sure.
Nothing happened to them.
What do you do them now? Undo if you know what you do them now. Undo them now.
It's okay.
Before I want you slap now.
It's okay. I will do that. But stop shouting, please.
Oh, so this is real. So you be ritual Abi?
No, it's not what you think.
You want to use them for sacrifice?
It's not what you think.
Young lady.
Young man, can I go now?
Do you know this man?
No.
Young lady, do you know this man?
No.
Listen now. If you do anyhow, you go see anyhow. If you do anyhow, you collect what the world.
It's okay.
You hear me?
Yes.
From here now, we are going straight to this village square. You hear me? Alright, comport yourself. Relax.
Okay.
You don't relax?
Yes.
You don't relax?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Move it also. I said move it.
I'm sorry.
Move it also.
Okay.